After pulling that bill out of circulation last week from the same bank we picked up this $1,000 from, you knew I had to try again. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. We have another $1,001 bill hunt with you guys today in hopes of finding another low serial number, any fancy serial numbers, rare star notes, old bills, or printing errors. Now, if you're new to my channel or new to bill hunting, I have a ton of resources and links listed down below in the video description. Feel free to check those out. And of course, if you like my bill collecting mat with a lot of information on it, you can go ahead and get one of those right down here as well. That being said, we had a lot of good luck at this bank last pickup. We got a lot of star notes and we got a super low serial number. And so I figured I'd go back there and grab another 1,000 bills to see if we can get lucky again. Now, I don't think luck's gonna strike twice, but you just never know. Maybe we can get on to something fun this hunt. But if not, I'll still take any star notes or any collectible bills whatsoever. Now, these are teller straps just like the last hunt, which means that these bills are made from deposits from customers. And once the tellers have 100 bills, they run it through the machine, then they put the strap on it, 100 bill straps like these. All right, we've talked a lot. We have 10 straps to hunt. As always, I'll be hunting them off camera and then giving you guys strap recaps at the end of every strap. If I happen to find a bill that's one of these top fancy serial numbers, I'll probably cut right to it without waiting for the end of the strap. Hopefully we kick off another good hunt with this first strap in front of us. I'll be back with a recap in just a moment. Strap number one has kicked us off with a star note, our first star note of the hunt. You guys know I like to have at least one per strap average, which means I'd like to have 10 this time. We got 13 in the last video, and as always, we'll put it to the side, and at the end of the video, we'll plug it into the star note lookup site to see if it's rare. I have that site listed down below in the video description. Couple of close calls, very much the same type of close call, almost bookenders. Had this 31 ended in 31, would have been cool. Had it ended in 13, it would have been a fancy radar because then it'd be 3100 and then 3100 the other way as well. It looks kind of cool because all the zeros in the middle, but not cool enough. And then the same type of thing here, 78200, 786. Man, both of them are close calls. This one looks fancy because it's only 2 digits front and back, but not fancy enough. We will be sending it back. One strap down, 9 to go. Let's see what strap 2 has in it for us. Strap number 2 gave us our second star note. We'll put that over there. And man, another close call. Would have been a nice binary note. Had that second digit been a 7 instead of an 8, it would have been 57, 55, 55, 77. Would have loved it. A brand new, crisp, almost uncirculated looking bill. Not fancy enough. It is a trinary. 4 5s in a row is kind of cool. Had it been 5 5s, I'd keep it. It looks good, not good enough. All right, come on, strap number 3. We just finished the third strap. No keeper notes, just a close call. 9580 and would have been a radar. 9583. Needed 2 3s in the middle or 2 zeros in the middle. Would have had a nice radar note, but it's not. Nothing there to report. Moving on to strap number 4. Unfortunately, strap number 4 makes 2 straps in a row with 0 finds. We did have a close call yet again. It's a chewed up note, but had that 1 in the serial number been a 4 or 5, it would have been a nice binary note with all 4s and 5s. It's nothing. 4 straps down, only 2 star notes to show for our efforts. Come on, strap 5, help us out. Not much happening in strap number 5 either, but it did give us a star note, our third star note finally after 5 straps, so we're starting to fall behind. And it's not really something I hold on to too often, but recently I've been holding on to all the notes prior to 2000 since I've had a lot of subscribers ask me to do so and make a deal with them down the road. So we'll hold on to that as an older bill. 2 keepers from that strap. We're halfway through the hunt. We need help. Come on, strap number 6. Help us out. Strap number 6, another tough strap. No keepers, just 2 close calls. This one looks kind of cool, but it's not. 3337, 2227. Man, close to being a great note, although it's not in great shape. Would have been a nice repeater if we would have had those 2s be 3s or vice versa. Not going to keep it. The other close call, almost a super repeater, 46, 46, 52, 46. We need 46 4 times. That would have been a super repeater, one of those ones that are on my mat that definitely you want to find. It's not, it's just a close call yet again. 6 straps down. It's pretty much a famine happening. Come on, strap number 7. Strap 7, another tough strap. Holy cow, the first couple started off hot, now they're not. I did get a 1995 note. I did check it for the printing plate number, and it's below 1 instead of above, so it's not a web note. And I also checked to see if it was plate number 295. There is a plate error that you want to look for on the Fort Worth notes. Either way, we'll keep it because it's an older bill. And then we had somewhat of an error. This is called an odometer note. You have the last digit slightly elevated in the serial number, and I had 2 of them in that strap. Don't see them too often. I don't keep odometer notes unless they are really high up or there's more than 1 digit up. You can clearly see that the last digit in both serial numbers is elevated just a bit. Not enough for me or any collector to pay extra for it, so I'll be sending those back. Just a 95 note from that strap. We're already on strap number 8, and the finds are few and far between. Strap number 8 did not give us any fancy serial numbers, but it did give us 3 star notes. I guess it heard me, wanted to help out the cause. A couple of 2017s and a 2021, which we will take. And now we have 6 star notes through 8 straps. Getting better. Let's go strap number 9. Strap number 9 is going to make that final strap interesting because it also gave us a couple of star notes. So now we have 8 star notes through 9 straps. Typically we like 10. We've been getting 9 lately, although we had 13 in the last hunt. But we only have 1 strap to go. And honestly, even though that's a good amount of star notes, no fancy serial numbers yet. Save us, Obi-Wan. You are our only hope. Strap number 10 gave us our 9th star note. So we didn't get 10 this time, but we now have 22 star notes in the last 20 straps from this bank. Unfortunately, no fancy serial numbers, a couple of older notes, so not the best hunt yet. We still need to plug in the star notes now to see if we have any rare ones. Let me do that. I'll bring you guys back in and let you know how we did overall and give you some final thoughts on this 10 strap hunt. All right, we have finished plugging in all the star notes from today's hunt. The 2 from 2013, they're both common. The 3 from 2017 are common. This one from 2017 A is slightly rare. It only has a print run size of 500,000, but 10.99 million total printed, and it's in rough shape, so pretty much common there. And then unfortunately, all 3 2021 star notes B series were all common. So based on what I have up here, these are probably worth $2 to $3 a piece. Maybe an extra $1 on this one, but if it was in better shape, it'd be worth maybe an extra $5. None of this is really nice. It is nice to add them though, and I will do that. Obviously, we didn't get any fancy serial numbers, just a couple of old bills. Would have been nice to nab another low serial number like that one, or if I'm ever lucky again, to nab a low serial number with a star on it. That would have been cool in any condition. No such luck this time, but you gotta hunt them if you're gonna find them. Hopefully you guys had fun watching this 1,000 bill or 10 100 strap hunt. If you did, I sure would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.